Ikinasal na ang TV at radio personality na si Khaled Karen sa kanyang longtime British partner na si Luke Wrightson noong Linggo, September 8, sa isang intimate wedding sa Ravenhall County, United Kingdom. Ayon kay Khaled Karen O'Gerville sa tunay na buhay, dream wedding niya ito, na talagang ibinigay ng kanyang asawa. Wedding in the clouds, panimula niya sa post, "Luke and I dreamed for a beautiful sunny day in this fantastic cliff-top wedding venue in England. It's supposed to have the best overlooking views in North Yorkshire. On our wedding day, ironically, the views were covered by a thick fog. It was almost zero visibility. What a 1 in a million chance." Dagdag pa niya, "Unlucky, not at all. But Miriam, the love of my life, surrounded by our dearest friends and families, makes me feel the luckiest woman alive. And hey, who else can say they got married in the clouds?"